Hi gang, Shizat here. Today we'll be unboxing the S25 Ultra. This is the 256 GB version, and I have the S24 Ultra, but it's not with me, it's with my mom, so I can't show you side by side, but we will talk about it. So let's talk about what comes in the box itself. Yeah, we don't need that. We can just do this. So the first thing is unboxing, then we're gonna talk about the specs itself. So this is the device itself. It's 6.9 inches. A bit of upgrade from the which was meant to be S24. That was 6.8. This is 6.9. So it does come with the, as you can see, SIM card tool, SIM ejector. Then it does come with a cable, which is normal. Yeah, cable is, it's inside. Yeah, it's here. I was looking at the wrong side. Anyways, so as with the fancy phones, they usually just come with the cable and the device itself, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna talk about the bit of specs on these ones, because these are Ultra models, so they do come with the S Pen itself. So this has been upgraded from from 8 Gen 3, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and it has been upgraded to the Elite chip, which has improved the overall performance. I wouldn't say there is like a major upgrade. You might notice some improvements in the battery, but on both devices the battery is 5,000 milliamps, right? So there's not a massive upgrade. That's the first thing is. So let's look at what you are getting in this one. So let's talk about the device itself. So the S24 used to be Gen 3 chip. This is Elite. So there is a bit of performance boost, as I said earlier. When you're gaming and things like that with the battery, you will see like a bit of improvement. Like if you're daily driving it, you might see 20 to 30 minutes, and in some instances like an hour more battery life on that. That's more to do with the chipset instead of like optimizing or a bigger battery from Samsung. That's one thing. Build quality, as I said earlier, and the build. So this is a 6.9. The S24, it's 6.8. Both are high-end materials, so it's not, the device itself is like, you won't see that much of a quality difference. I think this is a bit thinner though, and lighter as well compared to the S24. So it does uses the newer gloss cover, the armor one. But some are saying S24 Ultra is better in durability. So I'm not gonna fucking throw this thing to test that for you. So it just depends. Obviously, I would always advise get like a better case with these devices, because these are really expensive devices, so it's always worth it. Like and obviously good quality cases will save you, and they're around like $10 to $20. Sorry, 10 to 20 pounds. So you get that one. Another change though. So on this one, the main camera is 200 megapixel. It still stays the same, while there is a bit of a different upgrade though. So the ultra wide camera, which was 12 megapixel, that has been upgraded to 50. So, but when you're actually taking photos, because there is a lot of like photo processing, so it's like your photo after like you take a photo, so you won't notice that much of a difference though in normal usage. It's very rare, like a normal eye, you will see like there was such a big difference for normal photos. So yeah, it is a big upgrade, but because of the processing what's happening with it is quite decent, so you won't see like that much of a improvement. It's already even the S24 offered already a very good camera, so it's already there. They do come with the S Pens. It does come with 3 storage, which is like 256, 500 gigs, and then 1 terabyte. So this is because this is for my mom. And I already have like a OneDrive setup for her, so it's not gonna. She doesn't take that many photos, so I don't need to go with like 500 or 1 terabyte on the storage itself. if you already have S24, is it worth upgrading? No, I would say. The reason being because you have already have a really capable device. It's a update more than a, like an upgrade. I would say like that. So you know how you get like a newer version of like a updated version of software. It's like that. So there's not like a massive difference and like a need which you will be getting. So let's take this off. So we're gonna turn the device on. Yeah, it's coming out. Okay. Okay. For me, I've always been like a Note user, and I like kind of like I don't like how Samsung has merged like Note series into the Ultra series, which is decent because it's almost like your Ultra is the new Note one now. But I've gone to Fold. I've been using Fold till Fold 3.
To enable accessibility mode, continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
So yeah, so I'm gonna set up this device, and if you have any questions, do let me know. This is it. Yeah, there like I could do like a comparison video with Note, but it's like the two totally different devices. Obviously, in the camera wise, this is will be like have a upper hand, but Note has got a recently has gotten decent upgrade with the photo sensors as cameras. Not all the cameras has been upgraded as sensors, but some of did. So, but the devices were totally different users, totally different needs. So, if you guys want, I'll do that. But in any case, that's the device. That's what you get in the box, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, do let me know. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.